Hey guys, it's Robin White, owner of Time to Task. I'm a WordPress website designer, and today I wanted to show you how to set the permalink structure on your WordPress website. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and this is one of the first things you're going to want to do once you start setting up your website. So if we go over to the dashboard, which is this area at the left, if we go down to the area called Settings, we can see there's several different tabs that are available to us. The first one and most important one that we want to go to is called Permalinks. So let's click on that. And this brings you in to a page where there are various settings for permalinks. And my suggestion is to take a look at this. And what you want to select is right here, and it's called post name. And what that will do for you is set all of the pages on your website to show up as the permalink. So for example, if you have your navigation menu set up, and let's say you have 4 pages on your website, for example, home, about, services, and contact. By choosing post name as your permalink structure, what that will mean is it will be www.yourdomainname.com or net or org /about /services /contact. So it's really the simplest structure and the simplest way to set up your permalinks. So once you've selected post name, you'll want to scroll down, make sure you click on this blue button here to save changes, and you'll be all set. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, it would be great if you could click subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.